Hey, Monster. Yes, Monster? Don't we need some food for lunch? I guess we do. I'll go get it from the kitchen. Hey, Monster. Yes, Monster? I can't get it because we don't have hands. Oh, no! How do you leave us a comment on how you think we should solve this problem in our next puppy video?